Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters. Yep, right here, Junction City, Oregon. Me? I'm Gary Christians. You know me as the van guy. Don't be silly. I got more vans today. We're really blessed right now to still have a nice inventory. Brand new, just in today, 2020 Winnebago 59G. And of course I think it's for Gary, but anyway, that's the floor plan. We'll pop inside here a second. This cushion goes like this, or actually it's flipped around so the zipper's on the bottom. It goes around like this, so when the door's shut, you have a place for a fifth person to sit. If you slide this out, there's a water tank here, but this slides out, so this cushion fits in here. There's another cushion that fits here, and the dinette folds down into a full-size bed. So you could sleep two in the back, which we'll take a look at here in a second. And you have sleeping up here with seat belts, so you can comfortably carry 4 people strapped in, facing forward. You're scratching your head, I know. How are you going to do that? It's really quite easy once you've done it about 14,000 times for videos. Table leg folds at 90 degrees, just comes right off the wall, and the cushions slide forward. It goes real easy. There's a little bar that goes right across here to support this cushion, which is currently stored up on top. We do have a screen. They've redesigned it, thankfully. So what they did was they enclosed it in a piece of metal, so if people come up to get in, this is your grab bar right here to get in, not here. But they redesigned it so it won't be ripped off or cause somebody to maybe fall. 59G corner bed in the back, and as you can see, I've got it in the upright position right now. For a couple things, you can put a kayak in here. There's a lot of things that you can do to store a bicycle or something if you didn't want to put it on the rack. This is the mattress system that they have. Is really very comfortable. We've got storage down below and 2 drawers. This is a storage area. You can open this up from the top, or you can open it up from the end and put long things in here, fishing poles or something like that. And then if you want, you can undo it. It makes down pretty easy. You got your screens that pull up, the windows that slide for ventilation. Got reading lights in the back. And of course this one with a corner shower. I'll slide up here. This cabinet door that's got a seals for your toilet paper. And position for your shower nozzle. It's got a pump switch over here to turn it on. It's got the curtain already up, so when you get back in there, it helps protect this from all getting wet. You've got a vent up on top, and then this just curves around for privacy. Kitchen area. Let's do the refrigerator, compressor refrigerator. We'll unlock it there. Freezer's down below. You don't get into that as much, so they put it down below. And then your refrigerator up on top. Microwave. Not room enough to put a convection. Here's part of your venting. Fantastic fan up on top. Behind this skinny door is a closet to hang things. Currently we've got the privacy screens in here. Recessed sink, faucet pops up. Then for counter space you can fold it down, as well as for the cooktop. 2 burner, got your igniter here, easy to operate. Nice big storage area down below, good enough that you can put a garbage can. Well, all your light switches are here. Full extension on your drawers. 110 outlet with a GFI. Little extra counter space is located here. And you got your nice shades. Let's see what else. Got your battery disconnect switch right here. Here's your awning controls. That shuts off the unit. This unit, 6-cylinder front-wheel drive, automatic transmission. It does have a spot where you can bump the selector and actually go into manual mode if you wanted to lock it into a gear. You just got to remember to look to see if it says D or 4, 3, 2, 1 when you're driving. Entertainment system, you got a nice TV, DVD player. This does swing around, so these chairs are turned, they'll have good viewing. You have a little storage space here behind. Control panel. All your controls are right here, they're easy to find. You got your Truma control here for your water. LP valve on and off. All your tank capacities here. Oh, I turned the disconnect off. Power control system. Inverter switch. Heated tanks. So this has got a system where if you go into a park, you got your air conditioner going, and it is just so hot, but you're so comfortable, and you decide that you need to put something in a microwave and turn something else on. If it starts to draw too much power, it will shut down the roof air automatically so it doesn't blow a fuse. And then when you turn one off, it'll start everything back up again. It's a very nice system. Let's take a look on the outside, see what we got. Blackwater flush. I always remind all my clients, this caution sign is because if you have this hooked up with water to flush your black tank, you can't get to visiting with people because it will fill your black tank, your toilet, and then your bathroom. You need to turn it on, open the black valve up, and once you're done, then turn it off and disconnect it. Got electricity plug-ins out here. Cable hookup, 12 volts. Outdoor speakers. You've got a LED patio light up on top. This is their nice bike rack system. It's very nice for carrying 2 bikes. You have an outdoor faucet, hot and cold water right here. This is the hose for it. Water pump switch, LED light for your patio light up on top. And one of the owners suggested that they take a little bit of this area and make another storage space. It goes up this far and down to here, so it's got quite a bit of room for storage. Backup cameras right here. Here's their luggage, their rack system, which is extremely nice for accessing the vehicle, because when you take this knob off, you can lift this ladder up off its holder, carry it on the side of the unit, and have access to your roof without having to get up and walk around, because you can move it on either side. You can clean your solar panel. You can put a luggage pod up there. You can put kayaks and beans that it's on the side. It makes it easier to lift those up to secure everything for your trip. It's got a little hitch in the back. Towing's about 2,000 pounds again. Driver's side. Exhaust down below for your generator, which is a 2800 watt Awning that runs off gasoline off your tank. You've got your dump station here with your black and gray valves, and this is where you put your sewer hose, so it's not too far away. This is an exhaust for your Truma system. Short cord comes in here. Cable, your city fill, and the tank fill. Propane fills here, easy to get to, and it's got an on-off valve. Runs on unleaded fuel, not premium. And you fill it here. Mirrors are controlled bottom and top, so if you switch drivers, it's real easy to get your mirrors perfect. And if you get in a tight area, you push a button and they fold in. I know you have a question or two. My email's listed down below. But heck, why not just call the guy doing the video? Call the van guy direct, 541 554-9581. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to talking with you.